Stellar black hole. A stellar black hole is the most common type we know. It forms when a massive star, usually more than about 20 times the mass of the Sun, reaches the end of its life. After spending millions of years turning hydrogen into heavier elements, the star runs out of fuel. Without the outward pressure from nuclear fusion, gravity takes over and the core collapses in a fraction of a second. If the remaining core is heavy enough, it becomes a black hole instead of a neutron star. These black holes usually contain between a few and several dozen times the mass of the Sun. They are important because they show how the lives of giant stars continue even after their brilliant light disappears. Non-rotating black hole. A non-rotating black hole, known as a Schwarzschild black hole, is the simplest kind in theory. It has mass, but no spin and no electric charge. While this perfect version is unlikely to exist in nature because almost everything has at least a little rotation, it remains one of the most useful models in physics. Scientists use it to understand the basic structure of black holes, including the event horizon and the point where gravity becomes infinitely strong according to current theory. It serves as the starting point for much of modern black hole research. Rotating black hole. A rotating black hole, also called a Kerr black hole, spins because it inherits the rotation of the object that created it. Since almost every star rotates, most real black holes are expected to spin as well. The spinning motion twists the surrounding space and time, creating an effect known as frame dragging. This changes the paths of nearby matter and allows gas falling inward to become extremely hot and bright before crossing the event horizon. Rotation also affects how black holes merge and how powerful jets of energy can be launched from their surroundings. Charged black hole. A charged black hole is a theoretical black hole that carries an electric charge. It is described by a mathematical model called the Reissner-Nordstrom black hole if it does not rotate, or the Kerr-Newman black hole if it spins. In reality, astronomers believe black holes quickly lose any large charge because they attract particles with the opposite charge from their surroundings. Even though these black holes are probably rare or non-existent in space, they remain valuable for exploring the laws of gravity and electromagnetism. Binary black hole. A binary black hole is a pair of black holes locked together by gravity. Most begin as two massive stars that orbit each other. Each star eventually dies and collapses into its own black hole, yet the pair can remain connected. Over millions or even billions of years, they slowly spiral closer as they lose energy through gravitational waves. When they finally collide, they merge into one larger black hole and release an enormous burst of gravitational waves that travel across space. In 2015, scientists directly detected these waves for the first time, confirming a prediction Albert Einstein had made a century earlier. Intermediate mass black hole. An intermediate mass black hole fills the gap between stellar black holes and the much larger ones found in galaxy centers. Its mass ranges from hundreds to hundreds of thousands of suns. For a long time, astronomers were unsure whether these objects even existed because they are difficult to find. They may form when many stars collide inside dense star clusters or when smaller black holes repeatedly merge. They matter because they could explain how the largest black holes in the universe grew so quickly during the early history of the cosmos. Supermassive black hole. A supermassive black hole is the giant that sits at the center of almost every large galaxy. These monsters contain millions or even billions of times the Sun's mass. Unlike stellar black holes, their exact origin is still one of astronomy's biggest mysteries. They may have started from huge clouds of collapsing gas, from enormous early stars, or from many smaller black holes joining together over time. As they feed on gas, dust, and even stars, they can release tremendous amounts of energy through the hot material swirling around them. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way helps shape the movement of stars throughout our galaxy. Primordial black hole. A primordial black hole is a theoretical type that may have formed just moments after the Big Bang. Instead of coming from dying stars, these black holes could have appeared when tiny regions of the young universe became unusually dense. Their sizes could vary from microscopic to much larger objects, depending on the conditions at the time. None have been confirmed, but scientists continue searching for signs of them. If they exist, they could answer important questions about dark matter in the earliest moments of the universe. Micro black hole. A micro black hole is another hypothetical type, but it is expected to be incredibly tiny. Some theories suggest these could form during extremely energetic particle collisions if hidden dimensions of space exist. They would be far smaller than an atom and would disappear almost instantly through a process known as Hawking radiation. No experiment has ever detected one, and there is no evidence that they naturally exist today. Even so, studying the idea helps physicists test theories that connect gravity with quantum mechanics. Evaporating black hole. An evaporating black hole represents the final stage predicted by Stephen Hawking's theory. According to quantum physics, black holes are not completely black. They slowly release tiny amounts of energy called Hawking radiation. For large black holes, this process is incredibly slow and takes far longer than the current age of the universe. Smaller black holes would lose mass much faster. As the black hole shrinks, the radiation becomes stronger until it eventually disappears completely, although scientists are still investigating exactly what happens in the final moments. This possible ending connects gravity, quantum physics, and the ultimate fate of black holes in one of the greatest unsolved problems in modern science. Black holes are some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. Most begin when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating regions where nothing, not even light, can escape. Some are only a few times heavier than the sun, while others grow into supermassive giants that sit at the centers of galaxies. Scientists have also proposed theoretical types, including primordial black holes that may have formed after the Big Bang, microscopic black holes that could exist only for an instant, and charged black holes that exist mainly in mathematical models. Black holes can also orbit each other, merging in spectacular collisions that produce gravitational waves detected here on Earth. Over incredibly long periods, they may slowly lose energy through Hawking radiation and eventually evaporate. From their birth in dying stars to their possible disappearance trillions of years in the future, black holes help scientists explore gravity, space, time, and the deepest mysteries of the universe.